Welcome to Calm and Vibrant Living, where we believe in starting your day with tranquility and setting the tone for a calm and vibrant day ahead. In this video, we'll guide you through a morning meditation routine that will help you find inner peace and set a positive intention for your day. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, allowing any tension to melt away as you exhale. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place in nature. Visualize a serene garden, a tranquil beach, or a majestic forest. Take a moment to immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility of this space. Let's begin with deep breathing. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, revitalizing air. Exhale gently, releasing any stress or worries with each breath. Bring your attention to your body. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down through each part of your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine softening and releasing any tightness or heaviness. Now, repeat a series of mindful affirmations to cultivate positive thoughts and intentions for the day. Choose affirmations that resonate with you, such as, I am calm and centered, I embrace joy and gratitude, or I am capable and confident. Shift your focus back to your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale as the air flows in and out of your body. Allow your breath to anchor you in the present moment, letting go of any distractions or thoughts. Take a moment to express gratitude for the blessings in your life. Reflect on the things you are grateful for, whether big or small. Feel a sense of appreciation and let this gratitude fill your heart. As we come to the end of this morning meditation, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Congratulations on completing your morning meditation routine. Take this sense of calm and tranquility with you throughout the day, and remember that you have the power to create a calm and vibrant life. Join us again for more practices and tips on calm and vibrant living. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on living a calm and vibrant life. Wishing you a peaceful and energized day ahead. Namaste.